What's up everybody, Johnny B here. I just wanted to show off my motorized bicycle I put together myself, one of my favorite projects. Um, just haven't had time, to really show it off or anything, so now I'm going to. Check it out. I'm calling it the Green Dragon. So, with the Green Dragon, basically what it is, it's a CDH power frame with the gas tank built into it. It's a 2-cycle engine. Okay, it's a legal CC. Okay, so if you want more details about what exact type of motor it is, you can talk to me later. I got a racing carb on it. I added a custom motorcycle muffler, and a lot of the cool things about this bike is that it's all just put together, from all separate components, and there's a lot of 3D printing involved in this too. So like, we'll just start at the front end, right? So the front end right here, I have a headlight mount. Basically it's an off-road, like trying to think of like running light. It's like an off-road running light, but I designed my own mount to mount onto the handlebars and then 3D printed it with my FDM printer. Okay, so I got a really nice super bright headlight mount. I actually put a car horn on this too, and I 3D printed the adapters here. Now I have to go get the battery real quick to show you the horn. I forgot I took it off of there, but just to just to show you, it goes right there. And actually, we'll just grab it real quick. So it uses a regular tool battery, and it's really cool because I can see that adapter right there, snap it right on there, boom, and then this powers everything. I wired it all myself, and you can see how loud that is. So just in case you get some bad drivers out there, at least I got a horn to let them know I'm there. I added these rear view mirrors myself too. I added a light switch. Once again, 3D printed these mounts myself. I got to tighten this one up too, so maybe I'll just do that right now too. All right, there we go. Now my button's not flying all over the place. And I also, which I'm very proud of, I designed this back tail light too. I ran all my own super bright LEDs. There's like 12 of them inside here, and I soldered them all together. I made a whole wiring assembly on the inside of this that you can't see. I'll maybe show some of the just models as I'm showing this off, but I'm really proud of that. And the other thing is I added some ground effects, but you just can't see it. I'll show it like later. I actually have ground effects on it, so when I turn the lights on, it will actually light up green underneath here, to match the green bike at night. So anyways, we'll turn this off. I don't want to run the battery. I almost forgot to mention too, I also redesigned this tensioner wheel pulley right here. This little wheel, I printed that out of a TPU material, and it's actually been working really good, just as good as the nylon or even better, because it has a little bit of vibration absorption, so it actually has been working really good. I just wanted to make sure I added that into the mix. And then the other thing too that I did was the handle. I also 3D printed this knurled throttle handle, which I also designed myself. So I think that's everything for the 3D printed stuff on here. So now let's go take a ride. All right, let's do this.
the last time I needed. That's why I wrote last
kind of dangerous in the concrete jungle here. One cool thing is I can use my pedals, as you can see. If I just want to pedal a little bit, I can do it. I can really get cooking. Oh, burn up, burn up! Burn up. I'll show you guys an image of the whole Green Dragon at night here so you can see the full ground effects and stuff. All right.
Here's the Green Dragon at night. As you can see, my custom tail light lit up super bright. Yeah. And now you can see the underglow I added, some ground effects. And then that super bright off-road light. Works fantastic. there you have it.